Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So I went with 92 as a daytime high today. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if we were a degree or two above that even. 88 already. We're looking at a dew point at 75. East wind coming in at about 11. That east wind kind of steady and probably be about the same sort of an east wind over the course of the next few days. East or northeast wind kind of fluctuating just a little bit. Don't see much variations in that. Lots of sunshine today mixed with a few fair weather clouds. 20% chance that a few of those clouds will build into a shower or two, maybe a thunderstorm as we head into the afternoon. But really, the rain chances are kept small by a lot of dry air that's moved in and by a big ridge of high pressure and a sinking dome of air. So we don't expect to see a lot of activity, a lot of cooling rains around this afternoon. But of the showers that build, some of them could produce a pretty good downpour because only the strongest survive, so to speak. In an atmosphere like this, only the strongest of the storms, the strongest updrafts are going to make it through the afternoon. One lone shower kind of peeking up down here in Lee County. Otherwise, we're looking at pretty quiet conditions everywhere on the Sun Coast. Don't see much growing yet. I think the majority of the activity in the state of Florida today is going to be down to the south, where the moisture is still a little bit thicker, and also up around the Jacksonville area where there's a little trough of low pressure. So if you look at the water vapor imagery here, which is what this satellite image is, it shows you the swirls, motions in the atmosphere. It shows you where the dry air is and where it is not. The dry air at mid and upper levels indicated by tan. The moist air is indicated by these turquoise colors. You pretty much very clearly can see this turquoise color kind of sinking a little bit further south with time. That, I think, will up our rain chances just a little bit as we head into tomorrow. Now, this is what we call a backdoor cold front. It's really transitioning into just a trough of low pressure. But I don't think it will have much in the way of a kicker mechanism left after today. But its moisture will survive, and the moisture will kind of sink southward into our area and maybe trigger off a few more showers around tomorrow than we'll see today. So if you're hoping for rainfall, tomorrow's a better chance for that to occur than today. High pressure remains the dominant feature. East wind continues to blow, so we'll have mostly sunny skies with only isolated inland showers. It'll be warm all week long with that high pressure ridge where it is. And so far, tropical weather is pretty calm for the state of Florida. Actually, for most everywhere, we only have one system way out here in the Atlantic, and it's of little bother really to anyone. It's got 60-mile-an-hour winds. It will probably see some strengthening. It may become a hurricane with time. But look, this is the 5-day forecast. There's Bermuda, the little tiny island of Bermuda, and it just doesn't move too much in that entire length of time. So this is a system that's going to kind of maybe do a little pinwheel out there in the Atlantic and eventually die out as it lifts a little higher in latitude and encounters some cooler waters. Otherwise, no effect over land. Northeast wind transitioning to east and a little bit breezier as we head into the afternoon. We'll look for about a 92 or so for a daytime high today. Might be a little bit warmer. And we'll look for a 20% chance of showers today with that little moisture coming our way, maybe a 30% chance on Tuesday. And that's the way it's going to be. Slugs of moisture will pass through quickly, upping rain chances a little bit on certain days, Tuesday and Thursday particularly. And then maybe I don't think we'll see much in the way of any rainfall on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, again, minimal rain chances, but warm temperatures.